If you want to move an object from one location in the model space to another precisely, here's what you do. Launch the point command and enter the coordinate you want to move the object to. In this case, I want to move it to the origin of my model space. I will zoom extent and move around to see the point I've created. I'll return to the object and select it, then launch the move command. I'll snap to the center of the face of this object. AutoCAD says specify second point. Instead of clicking a second point, I'll enter the coordinates to take my object to the origin. Well, that didn't work because I was using relative coordinates. I'll repeat the move procedure, but this time using absolute coordinates, defined by beginning the coordinates entry with a hash sign. When I hit enter, the object is displaced to exactly where I want it to be.